Here's a goose that lives outside my window. It's a swan. Lost its partner. Looks in the window. Thinks it's looking at its partner. Very tame. We can get within like 3 feet of it. But very aggressive when another swan tried to move in here that Richard had bought. Brought the swan home, and this one just attacked it. Held it down, stood on its head. Another one didn't come back to this territory. Shame, they were meant to be friends, but they're both girls. And the one didn't like the other one coming in on her territory. I watched them swimming in the lake, just over here. In the mornings or the afternoons, but early morning, one of them, either the one that lives on this side or the one that lives on the other side, swims, gliding around. It's very pretty, with the horse barn featured in the background, and geese and ducks honking, cars driving by. Here we are back at the rock. And the frog pond in the background. Sun is setting. Orange chairs. The rock with that special frog on it. The other orange chair tipped over by the lawnmower guys. And here we are back at the shed with all the beautiful bird houses, nesting places that are built all around this property to encourage the wildlife to come. So I want to work in the deer enclosure, encourage some wildlife in there. It's beyond the frog pond and another piece of bush, but I could sculpt it into a garden.